Welcome to this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, the series where we explore the exciting world of maintenance and reliability management. My name is Ryan Chan, CEO of Upkeep, and today we'll be talking with Paul Crocker, a seasoned maintenance expert from the Kansas City Board of Public Utilities. We'll be discussing the critical role of computerized maintenance management systems, budgeting strategies, the power of community, and strategies for managing unexpected maintenance issues, and more. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking for insights and strategies to optimize your work, stay tuned. Paul has been with his utility for 25 years, starting in micrographics before moving into heavy equipment operation and eventually landing in the maintenance and reliability space. His journey began as a plant operator, where he introduced bio-sand filter technology for water treatment, which sparked his interest in maintenance management systems. Paul is now in charge of maintenance for drinking water, handling everything from mechanical to electrical fields, including chlorine and ammonia. He emphasizes the importance of consistency and excellence in maintenance to avoid serious repercussions. The secret? A robust computerized maintenance management system that helps keep everything on schedule with preventive maintenance and job plans. Discussing maintenance and reliability budgeting, Paul shares that his approach involves using previous year's budgets as a baseline, with increased allocations for tools and training to enhance condition assessment technologies like ultrasound and infrared. He highlights the challenges of advocating for these budget increases to upper management, stressing the importance of persistence and education to overcome traditional mindsets. Paul also discusses the importance of community within the maintenance and reliability industry. He started with the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, SMRP, and discovered the value of conferences, which helped him connect with others facing similar challenges across different industries. On the topic of unexpected maintenance issues, Paul prefers proactive measures like oil and vibration analysis to anticipate problems before they become severe. This approach helps in planning and budgeting for potential equipment failures, ensuring that surprises are minimized. When it comes to repair versus replace decisions, Paul advises relying on good data and historical context from a CMMS to make informed choices. He shares a personal example where replacing an overqualified pump with a more suitable and cost-effective model not only saved money, but also reduced maintenance complexity. For managing spare parts and inventory, Paul utilizes CMMS reports to maintain optimal stock levels, reducing unnecessary inventory while ensuring critical parts are always available. In closing, Paul discusses his proactive efforts in educating both his team and upper management about the benefits of asset management and maintenance best practices. His goal is to improve operational efficiency and potentially reduce costs for consumers, reflecting the broader impact of maintenance and reliability beyond just keeping equipment running. Paul's story is a testament to the power of persistence, education, and community in the maintenance and reliability field. For those looking to connect with Paul and follow his journey, LinkedIn is the best platform to reach him. Thank you for watching this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've covered the importance of a robust CMMS, budgeting strategies, the power of community, and proactive measures to handle unexpected maintenance issues. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more. We appreciate your time and look forward to bringing you more useful insights in our future episodes.